Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very special unboxing from Cartier. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. If that's something that you're interested in, definitely keep watching. But first, my name is Wil Mikahson. I do videos on luxury, fashion, lifestyle, and travel. If any of that interests you, you're going to love it here, I promise you. So go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every single time your boy loads a new video. To my return viewers who should be subscribers, but I'm gonna give you grace. I'm just kidding. To my return viewers and to my subscribers, my Mikahson family, thank you guys so much for coming back again. Now, in my last two videos, which I will leave linked above, I talked about going on this unexpected shopping spree, if you will. Last weekend with Joey, we were supposed to just be running errands, and it turned out to be a pretty good day. I was just going to Cartier to drop off my Must 21, I believe it's called a rubber and stainless steel watch. I can't remember the name of it, but I will either pop in a picture or the name of it down here. I was only going in just to get a battery. It's the only quartz movement watch that I have out of my 4 or 5 Cartier watches that I own. So I had to go in. I thought I could just get a battery, and actually that watch was never serviced. So they suggested that I do the service and put me through, you know, all the things. Also, when I was there, my Pasha watch that I own from Cartier, I wanted to upgrade my strap to a gray alligator strap. 2021, it was actually almost to the date from 2021, so 2 years ago. I was told it would take up to 6 months for the strap to come in, and I never got a phone call. Come to find out, when I went in this time, I brought my receipt and I said, I know I should have checked in last summer, but now that I'm here, whatever happened? And turns out that the sales associate who I used, whose name I'm not gonna mention, who had been there for ages, she was no longer there, and he believes that my strap got lost in the sauce. So I'm waiting for them to find it. And I said to him, what happens when an item comes in? Because I don't wanna wait another 6 months. And he said, no, we don't send it back out. It should be here, just give me some time to look for it. Now the tertiary thing here is that the store their POS system was down, so they were doing everything on paper. They were handwriting everything. So I was not gonna put him through the ringer making him go look for the strap, although he did go look for it. But I said, you know what? Let's do the watch order, send that out. I'll give you some days to give me a call later about the strap. I've gone this long without it. It's not an urgent matter, so I don't need the strap, but I would like to have it. So before we walked in, I said to Joey, I'm gonna try on this, I'm gonna try on that, I'm gonna try on all these things. But once I walked in and realized that their POS system was down, I was like, I can't do that to these people. You know, they will never let their store get chaotic. But I knew that there were people in queue, and they were also helping people in the store. So I said, you know what, let's just do these two things and get out. But while we were waiting for him to wrap things up, we were sitting at this table, and everything happens for a reason, and time and placement is everything. So we're sitting at this table, and I said, you know what, can I bother you? I said, I'm really interested in trying out the Trinity Cartier ring, okay? And you guys, I don't even know what happened. Let me unbox this, because I know you guys are anxiously waiting. I'll unbox this and then I'll finish the story after we unbox this, okay? This right here is the receipt. As you can see, it's a yellow piece of paper. It was handwritten because, like I said, their POS system was down. And obviously everything comes in the iconic, classic Cartier red. Oh my gosh, I just love their packaging. It's phenomenal. Next in the bag, he was kind enough to give me a cleaning kit. I did not get the cleaning kit when we were on 5th Avenue, so it was nice to get this. And it basically has the cleaning solution, it has the cleaning brush, a cleansing cloth, and it also has a little care booklet. But I love that the box, even the detail of the box, it's like felt lined, dark, it's black. It's so elegant. The next thing that he gave me was a small travel pouch, which I think is super cute. It has a snap closure, and it also has Cartier written in gold. And it's just the small things, right? Their touches are just so fabulous. This, my friends, happens to be my certificate of authenticity. And basically, when you pull this out, it's a red envelope, of course, that says Cartier on the front and on the back. This is what it looks like. It just says certificate. It tells you that it's 18 karat gold. It has the date of purchase, October 7, 2023. And then what I'm covering is my serial number. And then, are you guys ready for it? Oh my God. This is their Iconic, very simple, very elegant, white packaging. It has the red wax stamps on both ends. It has the Cartier stamp. It is just next level. To see how they folded it with these 3 flaps, and he came back so quickly with this. Like, just, it makes no sense how beautiful they wrap their items. Let's unpack, let's undo this together. Let's pull that down. Oh my God, I hate ruining their packaging. Voila, there it is, you guys, in all its glory. The beautiful red Cartier box. Oh my God. I am like sweating, you guys. I have not seen this since I purchased it. So I'm taking the top off. You drop this flap down here, and that's just what that box looks like. And are you guys ready? I'm like a kid in a candy store. I'm gonna open up. I'm gonna do it this way so you guys could see it first. There it is, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I picked up the Trinity ring in the white gold and the black ceramic. It is stunning. Okay, so let me finish the story for you as oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Okay, so as we're sitting next to this counter, which I had no idea why he's doing all the other transactions, I said, can I just ask you to see the Trinity ring, please? And I said, I wear a size 63. Now, my love ring, which my fingers are swollen right now, which is why it's not on my middle finger, but my love ring usually sits on this finger. Now, just like my love ring easily goes on and off that finger, it goes on and off that finger, right? So when he asked me what size I was, I said I'm a size 63. He turns out the place we were sitting, we were right at the Trinity case. I did not realize that. So he pulls it out and he said, I only have a 59 and a 60. And I was like, oh, all right. And then I looked at Joey and I said, well, can I just try it on? Just thinking I was gonna get it like right here. And mind you, I had my Chanel J12 on, so it's already going with the vibe, right? So I try the ring on, and first of all, you guys, the way in which this rolls, I'm not even applying any pressure, you guys. I'm thinking I'm not gonna get it past here because I need a size 63. And when I tell you that this thing rolled so beautifully down my finger, I was like, and I looked at Joey and I was like, and I was in love with it. It rolled so smoothly. The movement of it was just so amazing. And I was like, it fits. So I'm looking at Joey, he's looking at me, and he goes, you really like it? And I was like, it's gorgeous. I said, at least I know now. And this is why you go into store. I said, at least I know now that I need a size 60 in this ring because it's gonna be an index finger. Now I was like, thinking that it was gonna be too small. I was like, what about a pinky ring? And they were like, no. I never thought I'd be an index or middle finger guy, but when I put it on this index finger and having it with my Chanel J12, you guys, it just worked. And so Joey goes, do you want it? And I was like, no, I'm just trying it on. And he's like, do you want it as your anniversary birthday gift? Remember, I had this in the camera back. And I was like, no, like we weren't supposed to be doing this today. So the guy was like, okay. And Joey's like, are you sure? And I was like, yeah, I'm sure. So he puts it away. He goes now to look for my strap. He comes back, wrapping everything up. And I was like, this is my moment. And I just started thinking, right place, right time, sitting right next to the Trinity thing. I thought I needed a 63. It was a 60. It fit perfectly. And I'm like, I looked at Joey and he's like, are you sure? And I was like, can I see the ring again? He brought it out and immediately Joey's like, he's gonna take it. And I was like, yeah, I think I'm gonna take it. And you guys, I've been dying to wear this. Now, I will say I do not believe that this is going to be an everyday piece. It's comfortable to wear, and I have to be honest, unpopular opinion, it's more comfortable than the Love Ring. And fun fact, the Trinity Ring came out in 1924. I believe that Louis Cartier made it for, I'll leave the name here. He commissioned Louis Cartier to make him a ring, and it was this ring. Now, it did not adapt the name Trinity until the 80s, and then a whole, obviously, line came out, and the bracelets and the necklaces and all the other things, different sizes in this. So this is not the classic Trinity ring. The classic Trinity ring comes in three interlocking rings, but it is white gold, yellow gold, and rose gold. It stands for friendship, fidelity, and the rose, I think friendship is the white gold, fidelity is the yellow gold, and true love is the rose gold. And that's supposed to be the foundation of a relationship, right? So that's the classic line. And again, it was made for, I think the guy's name was Jean Cocteau. Jean Cocteau, he's a Frenchman. He was a filmmaker, I believe, and a poet. So that's the original line. I do not remember when the two white gold rings and the ceramic ring came out, but I remember looking at it for years and years, back when it was $900, or I think $1,000. And I watched the price go up and up and up, and now it's $1,450, I believe, which is cheaper than the Love Ring, but I will tell you that this is far more comfortable than the Love Ring. I will tell you that hands down. Like I said, the fluidity and the movement of the ring and how it glides on your finger, and again, you size down. Love Ring, I'm a 63 on these fingers. This ring, I am a size 60. Now I wonder, because my Love Ring was initially supposed to go for this ring, I wonder if I can fit it now. And that's the thing, because this ring and the knuckle, I can force the Love Ring over this hump, but this, I don't think I can. So I'm just, and besides, I like this ring as a index finger ring anyway. And I will tell you that one of the rings does have Cartier on it, and I don't really care for the Cartier to show. I know a lot of people, when they put these rings on, they do want the Cartier to show. I don't really care. I just think it's a beautiful, like the craftsmanship, the meaning behind it, and the history. Like, I keep going back to the fact that this was, I'm not gonna say it was Cartier's first ring, because it wasn't, but the fact that this goes back to 1924. And again, yes, it did. People think it came after because it was officially named the Trinity Ring and the Trinity line in the 80s, when I believe the Love line came out in the 70s. But this is the true icon here in Cartier, okay? This is the true icon over the Love. I'm just saying, unpopular opinion, but I think it's a beautiful ring. I love it so much. And thank you to my love, Joey, for gifting this to me. And he's like, I'm your Cartier pusher now, your Apple pusher, because he gets all my Apple products, like my laptop, phones, iPads. And now he's got me 2 Cartier pieces. And you guys, like I said, this on this hand with the Chanel J12 is just, it's a vibe. And I never thought I was an index finger guy, but I am. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to give you more info on this ring. And of course, because I don't wear my J12 all the time, I'm not gonna wear this all the time. So now I'm like, I kind of want a classic. I definitely think I want a classic Trinity ring with the yellow gold, white gold, and rose gold. I don't know. And that I could buy myself. I can definitely do that for myself. But anyway, I'm rambling at this point. Again, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about this ring, I don't see many videos circulating on YouTube about this, if any at all. So let me know any questions you have below, and I will definitely respond to them. Thank you guys again so much. Mwah! And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.